What is going on, guys? Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to ice up or get back to white the soles of your Air Force Ones or any white shoe with a white bottom. So you're not going to want to miss this video. Check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty Restoring Kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright, now if you guys see my previous videos, you know that we've been working on this shoe right here, getting it back one step at a time, restoring these. The first thing was getting this top all done, which we did with the washing machine. We also did with our sneaker cleaner. And now we are going to the bottoms. So now with these bottoms, as you can see, they're that yellow color. These were all white at one point, but it's like a yellowish, tannish, coffee stained color look. So we are going to ice these back up, and yes, we will be using the ice box, the indoor method. If you want to check out any of those videos, if you don't know what the indoor method is, you can check it out here. But we are going to ice these up right now, and it is very easy to do, and it won't take long. But I'm going to show you how to do it right here. All right, we got our soul sauce right here. I'm using the CCK soul sauce, and we are going to apply it to the bottoms of these and then put it in the ice box. Alright guys, so the shoes are officially iced up, and it only took 2 sessions, and I did actually very short sessions. I did an hour each, just because after the first hour, it looked amazing, and I was like, alright, these are pretty much done, but I'm going to make them look a little extra crispy and do one more session, only for an hour though, and guys, the results are insane, as usual, you know this, but for white shoes, you're going to want to get a UV light, because every time that you do this, you're going to have them back to brand new. You saw how cooked these things were. They were like a yellow, coffee kind of color, right? Look at them now. We are back to the original color, guys. That white, bright white. Even the bottoms. Look at the bottoms. Look like they're brand new. The only thing that would make you say they're not brand new is some of the scuffing on it. That is it. Besides that, the color is insane. Even right here where the Nike is, you saw how nasty that was before. This part looks brand new. It's crazy. So, yes, it does work. That's why we ice these things up. And we are on the journey to bringing these back to life. We are getting so close. As you can see, we fixed those uppers in the other video. And in this video, we fixed these midsoles and the bottoms where they're back to that bright white. And now the only thing we have left is fixing these creases, which we're going to do in the next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you see how much this light really works. So if you don't have one already, you need to get one. If you go to the link in my description, you will be able to find it there. Also, right now it's 20% off, so don't miss out on that opportunity to get it for 20% off. And get to icing these soles. So, if you have any questions or video suggestions, please put them in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So, Scotty Restores Kicks, and you want to be icy? Well, it starts in the sole. I'm gonna see you next time.